Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how to get this glitch on Subway Surf. So you go on, you sign to Facebook. So just sign to Facebook and then you do that. And it might say you've got a 60-second, 60-minute delay thing. Just wait 60 minutes and it should work. I wait till the next day. So after that, you go onto your settings. Then let me just refresh it. You go into your settings, go into general, go down to date and time, and you go onto so it should be like this. Start off. If it isn't like that and set automatically, won't let you turn it off. You go off that, you go on to screen time, and then you turn off your. If I turn on my screen time, I'll show you how to turn it off. There you turn off the screen time, and then you go on general, go on date and time, and you turn set automatically off and 24-hour time off. No, you keep 24-hour time on, sorry. And then you press on the bottom thing. It'll take you to days, and then you'll go down 7 days. You'll open your first pack when you get the Facebook gift. I'll just open my Facebook gift. And if you want to do it over and over again, just go and change it a week to 7 days. You change it to next Monday, and then you go on to start back onto free stuff. And there's another gift. And that is how to do it. I'll show you one more time. And then you go on to that, change it a week, and go back onto start.